Let's look at 7 open source alternatives to VS Code and why we need them. The source code for VS Code is accessible on GitHub. But you'll discover that the Microsoft software license covers the VS Code application you download from Microsoft. This license is not an open source one. A proprietary C# debugger, an extensions gallery, telemetry, and other Microsoft-specific features have been added to the official Microsoft-branded edition. Here are some open-source code editors you can use instead of VS Code. VS Codium provides downloadable executables of code, OSS without Microsoft's proprietary enhancements, providing the cleanest version of VS Code without having to compile it yourself. Also, verify that all telemetry is deactivated. If you don't want to utilize VS Code's build, you may create the same result by compiling VS Code yourself from source code. The licensing constraints that apply to VS Codium also apply to your build, even if the executable is named code, OSS instead of VS Code, and the workarounds still function. If you created the program from scratch, be sure that all telemetry is turned off before launching it. Microsoft purchased Atom, an open-source text editor that resembles an IDE, when it bought GitHub. It can be enhanced with plugins and personalized with themes and tools, is cross-platform, and incorporates GitHub natively. Atom by default supports metrics tracking, and there are no arbitrary limits on extensions. GNOME Builder is a code editor for Linux, designed for creating GNOME applications. It is an IDE for the GNOME desktop and can be installed from flathub.org if the GNOME SDK is lacking. Genie is a powerful, reliable, and lightweight editor with 50 different markup languages, scripting languages, and file formats. It includes syntax highlighting, bracket matching, and more. Brackets is a text editor and IDE for web developers, with robust support for PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Java, and even Python. Che is an IDE made for cloud development, allowing users to use Git servers as their file system, and work on projects directly from their repository. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more. Push the bell icon for notifications.
MUNU and MOTI.
Your vision, our priority.